Today we will show you how to install a tablet docking station and keyboard onto the Mongoose XLE motion attachment. We will have to add a few additional components to the Mongoose XLE in order to mount the tablet computer docking station effectively and safely. Start by removing the 3/8 hex bolts from the top plate of the upper pole and removing it. Next, remove the bottom mounting plate using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the 3 1/4 by 20 screws and the mounting plate. Slide the independent tablet rotation bracket into position on the Mongoose XLE and use the 1/4 by 20 screws and some thread locker on the screws to tighten. Next, attach the tablet display mount to the independent rotation bracket using the nylon bearings, steel backer plate, and 3/8 inch washer and nylock nut supplied with the tablet display mount. Next, attach the Mongoose XLE to the independent rotation bracket by utilizing the smiley face hole pattern located on the top plate of the upper pole using the provided hardware. Reattach the top plate with the Mongoose XLE onto the upper pole. Once those components are secured, we can attach the tablet docking station to the tablet display mount. Remember to review, understand, and follow all installation instructions prior to installation. Position the tablet dock to your preferred height on the tablet display mount, and use the 4 1/4 by 20 1/2-inch long hex head bolts and 4 lock washers to attach the tablet docking station to the tablet display mount. Complete the installation by attaching all cables to the docking station. Zip tie each cable to the strain relief feature on the docking station and properly route the cables. Make sure to leave a service loop so that the cables will have enough room to move during rotation. You may find it easier to connect and restrain all cables to the docking station prior to attaching the dock to the tablet display mount. Once complete, you are now ready to connect to power. The final step to completing your solution is to attach the keyboard cradle and keyboard to the clevis on the Mongoose XLE. The keyboard cradle will attach to the clevis of the Mongoose using the 4 supplied washers and nylock nuts. The keyboard attaches to the cradle by aligning the front tabs of the cradle with the front indents on the keyboard. Once aligned, simply push down on the back side of the keyboard to snap it into position. The tablet display mount can be rotated and tilted to place the tablet dock in the preferred position. The keyboard can be positioned using the Mongoose XLE or independently from the docking station by moving forward and aft, rotated and tilted to achieve the preferred working position. Remember to always disengage the brake and move the carriage of the Mongoose to the stowed position before operating or moving the vehicle. To learn more about the solutions in this video or to explore our full product offering, visit our website at Gamber-Johnson.com.